Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the last 10 years PYQs of our topic Cell, the unit of life. I hope your NEET preparation is going on very well and best luck for your examination. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Here C is the correct answer. Assertion में क्या दिया है? The primary function of the Golgi apparatus is to package the materials made by endoplasmic reticulum and deliver it to intracellular targets and outside the cell. Golgi apparatus का primary function क्या है? जो भी materials endoplasmic reticulum से आते हैं उनको पैक करना and then they are delivered either to the intracellular targets or released outside the cell. रीज़न में क्या दिया है? एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम जो भी कोई प्रोटीन्स लिपिड्स बनाता है दे आर रिलीज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेसिकल्स एंड देन दैट वेसिकल्स फ्यूज विद द सिस फेस ऑफ द गोल्गी एपरेटस. वहाँ पे उनका मॉडिफिकेशन होता है एंड देन दे आर रिलीज फ्रॉम द ट्रांस फेस ऑफ द गोल्गी एपरेटस एंड दैट्स वाई बोथ assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Question: which one of the following statements refers to reductionist biology? Here correct answer is C, physico-chemical approach to study and understand living organisms. Reductionist biology means study of biology in stepwise manner. जैसे सेल में रिसर्च करना है at that time various physical and chemical methods are used to study the different parts of the cell, their structure, ऑर्गेनेल्स का क्या स्ट्रक्चर है, उनमें केमिकल कंपोजिशन क्या है, डिफरेंट मेटाबॉलिक रिएक्शन सेल में कैसे कंटिन्यू रहते हैं. दैट कैन बी स्टडीड बाय यूजिंग वेरियस फिजिकल एंड केमिकल मेथड्स एंड देयरफॉर दिस स्टेटमेंट रेफर्स टू द रिडक्शनिस्ट बायोलॉजी. फ्रॉम द स्टेटमेंट्स गिवन बिलो चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. हियर आंसर इज सी, ए, बी, सी आर ट्रू. ए ऑप्शन में क्या दिया है? द यूकैरियोटिक राइबोसोम्स आर 80s एंड प्रोकैरियोटिक राइबोसोम्स आर 70s. दिस इज करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. Each ribosome has two subunits, large subunit and small subunit. That's why this is also correct. The two subunits of 80s ribosomes are 60s and 40s, and that of 70s are 50s and 30s. That's why this statement is correct. These D and E are wrong, and therefore correct answer is C. Next question: a specialized membranous structure in prokaryotic cell which helps in cell wall formation, DNA replication is. Correct answer is C, mesosome. So mesosome is nothing but the extension of plasma membrane which is formed in the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell. And mesosome का function क्या है? They help in cell wall formation, DNA replication and its distribution into two daughter cells, and also remember that it help in respiration process also. Match list 1 with list 2. Here correct answer is B. Centromere helps in cell division. Centromere split during anaphase. Chromatids get separated. That is the main function of the centromere. Cilium, it is nothing but the surface structure which helps in cell movement. Cristae, we know that the inner membrane of the mitochondria is highly folded and that folds are called as a cristae. Cell membrane of prokaryotes and eukaryotes consist of phospholipid bilayer. PYQ of 2024. First question: match list 1 with list 2. Here correct answer is A. List 1 में organelles दिए हैं and in list 2 function is given that we have to match. Nucleolus, answer is site of active ribosomal RNA synthesis. Centriole, organization like the cartwheel. Then leucoplast for storing nutrients and Golgi apparatus, site of formation of glycolipid. Next question: the DNA present in chloroplast is. Answer is B, circular double stranded. So within two organelles DNA is presented as chloroplast and mitochondria, and in both the organelles DNA is present in circular double stranded form. Question: given below are two statements. Statement 1 में क्या दिया है? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड क्लोरोप्लास्ट बोथ डबल मेम्ब्रेन बोन ऑर्गेनेल्स. स्टेटमेंट 2 में दिया है इनर मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज लेस परमेएबल एज कंपेयर टू क्लोरोप्लास्ट. In the light of the above statement, choose the misappropriate answer from the options given below. Here correct answer is C. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. यहाँ पे माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड क्लोरोप्लास्ट दोनों भी डबल मेम्ब्रेन ऑर्गेनेल्स है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज करेक्ट. But here this statement is incorrect because the inner membrane of the chloroplast is less permeable than that of the mitochondria. Question match list 1 with list 2. Here correct answer is D. List 1 में क्या दिया है? Exonymy, which is nothing but the core of cilia and flagella through which the microtubules run parallel to the long axis. Then cartwheel pattern, which is observed in the centriole. Crista is nothing but the fold of inner membrane of the mitochondria, and satellite is present in chromosomes. Few chromosomes they possesses non-staining secondary constriction, which is called as a satellite. Question match list 1 with list 2. Here correct answer is B. List 1 में देखते हैं cilia, whose correct answer is exonymy. It is nothing but the core of the cilia through which microtubules run parallel to its long axis. B. Endoplasmic reticulum, whose correct match is ribosomes. So ribosomes are present on the membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum, and such endoplasmic reticulum is called as a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then mitochondria, inner membrane of the mitochondria is highly folded, and that folds are called as a cristae. So kinetochore is nothing but the point of attachment for the spindle fibers. जो क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं दे आर अटैच टू द सेंट्रोमेयर, और ये सेंट्रोमेयर के साइड को जो डिस्क लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होती है उसे कहते हैं काइनेटोकोर्स, एंड टू दिस काइनेटोकोर स्पिंडल फाइबर्स अटैच. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैच लिस्ट 1 विद लिस्ट 2. हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. फर्स्ट लिस्ट में दिए है साइंटिस्ट के नेम. फ्लेमिंग, he had given the name chromatin to the material present inside the nucleus. न्यूक्लियस में ऐसे थिन फिलामेंटस स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट होते हैं दैट आर कॉल्ड एज ए क्रोमेटिन. रॉबर्ट ब्राउन डिस्कवर्ड द न्यूक्लियस. जॉर्ज पैलाडे ने राइबोसोम्स को फर्स्ट टाइम इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप में ऑब्जर्व किया, एंड ही ऑब्जर्व दैट they are present as a granular structure and in the form of dense particles in the cytoplasm of the cell. कैमिलो गोल्गी ने गोल्गी बॉडीज को ऑब्जर्व किया that consist of disc shaped sacs or cisternae near the cell nucleus. Next question, mesosome in a cell is a correct answer is C. special structure formed by the extension of plasma membrane. प्रोकैरियोट्स में क्या होता है? प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन का एक्सटेंशन होकर फोल्डेड स्ट्रक्चर तैयार होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ए मेसोसोम, विच प्ले इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन, डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन एंड आल्सो इन रेस्पिरेशन. Question match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Here correct answer is D. List 1 में chromosomes के types दिए हैं, and in list 2 characters are given. We know that on the basis of position of centromere there are 4 types of chromosomes, and here we have to select the correct option. First is metacentric chromosome. इसका correct answer है 2. middle centromere होता है metacentric chromosome में, and they form the 2 equal arms. देन सब मेटासेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम में सेंट्रोमियर जो है स्लाइटली अवे फ्रॉम द मिडल ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम इज प्रेजेंट, विच रिजल्ट्स इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ 2 अनइक्वल आर्म्स. दैट्स व्हाई हियर आंसर इज 3. एक्रोसेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम में सेंट्रोमियर जो है क्लोज टू द एंड ऑफ क्रोमोसोम प्रेजेंट होता है, फॉर्मिंग 1 एक्सट्रीमली शॉर्ट आर्म एंड 1 लॉन्ग आर्म. टेलोसेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम में सेंट्रोमियर जो है क्रोमोसोम के टर्मिनल पोजिशन में प्रेजेंट होता है. List 1 with list 2. Here correct answer is B. F1 particles associated with the inner membrane of the mitochondria and help in ATP synthesis. Histone proteins are associated with chromosomes and play important role in formation of nucleosomes. Exonymy, these form the core of cilia and flagella and consist of microtubules. Cisternae, these are nothing but the flattened membranous sacs which forms the Golgi apparatus. Number 1, which of the following are not considered as the part of endomembrane system? So here correct answer is B. Mitochondria, chloroplast and peroxisome, they are not considered as the part of endomembrane system because their functions are not coordinated. Next question, which of the following functions is carried out by cytoskeleton in a cell? So here correct answer is C. Cytoskeleton is a network of proteinaceous structure consisting of microtubules, microfilaments, then intermediate filaments present in the cytoplasm of the eukaryotic cell. And main function क्या है cytoskeleton के? It gives mechanical support, it helps in motility of the cell and also gives the shape to the cell. So remember this. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, in bacteria the mesosomes are formed by the extensions of plasma membrane. Statement 2, the mesosomes in bacteria help in DNA replication, cell wall formation. In the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Here both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Answer is C. We know that mesosomes are present in prokaryotes and they are formed by the extensions and infolding of the प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. और ये जो मेसोजोम्स हैं दे हेल्प इन डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन, सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन एंड ऑल्सो इन रेस्पिरेशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट इन द कॉन्टेस्ट ऑफ गोल्गी एपरेटस. हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, ए एंड सी ओनली. ए में क्या दिया है, इट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट साइट फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन एंड ग्लाइकोलिपिड्स. वी नो दैट इन गोल्गी एपरेटस प्रोटीन्स एंड लिपिड्स पास थ्रू द एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम are glycosylated and converted into glycoprotein and glycolipid. That's why this sentence is correct. It produces cellular energy in the form of ATP. It is the function of mitochondria. That's why it is incorrect. It modifies the protein synthesized by ribosomes on endoplasmic reticulum. This is correct. It facilitates the transport of ions. This is the function of plasma membrane. That's why this is incorrect. It provides mechanical support. Wrong. That's why this is incorrect. Number 1, which of the following statements with respect to the endoplasmic reticulum is incorrect. Here answer is B. All these three are correct statement. In prokaryotes only rough endoplasmic reticulum are present. So this is a wrong statement because in prokaryotes various membrane bound organelles are absent and therefore they do not have rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next question, which type of substance would face difficulty to pass through the cell membrane. So here correct answer is C, substance with hydrophilic moiety. हाइड्रोफिलिक सब्सटेंस जो होते हैं दे आर पोलर इन नेचर एंड फॉस्फोलिपिड बाइलेयर इज नॉन पोलर इन नेचर and therefore these polar molecules cannot easily pass through this non-polar phospholipid bilayer of the membrane and therefore they require the carrier protein to facilitate their transport across the cell membrane. PYQs of 2021. First question, when the centromere is situated in the middle of the two equal arms of chromosomes, the chromosome is referred to as. So here correct answer is C. It is called as a metacentric chromosome. Next question, which of the following is an incorrect statement? So here correct answer is B. Mature CO2 elements possesses a conspicuous nucleus and usual cytoplasmic organelle. This is incorrect statement because these mature CO2 elements they do not have nucleus and they possesses the peripheral cytoplasm and central vacuole. Question, the organelles that are included in the endomembrane system are. Here correct answer is D. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes and vacuoles. They are included in the endomembrane system because their functions are coordinated. आइए देखते हैं PYQs of 2020. First question, which of the following statements about inclusion bodies is incorrect? So here answer is D and all the three statement A, B and C are correct. Why? बिकॉज ये जो इंक्लूजन बॉडीज़ है प्रोकैरियोट्स के साइटोप्लाज्म में फ्रीली प्रेजेंट होते हैं और रिजर्व फूड मटेरियल को वो स्टोर करते हैं और दे आर नॉट बाउंड बाय एनी मेम्ब्रेन बट दे डू नॉट हैव एनी रोल इन इंजेक्शन ऑफ फूड पार्टिकल्स एंड दैट्स व्हाई डी स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which is the important site of formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids in eukaryotic cells? A option Golgi bodies, B polysomes, C endoplasmic reticulum, D peroxisomes. Here correct answer is A Golgi bodies. Proteins and lipids का Golgi bodies में modification होता है and after modification they are converted into glycoproteins and glycolipids and packed in the form of vesicles. और ये जो vesicles हैं ये इधर inside the cell use किए जाते हैं और secreted outside the cell. PYQs of 2019. Question number 1, which of the following pairs of organelles does not contain DNA? A option nuclear envelope and mitochondria, B mitochondria and lysosome, C chloroplast and vacuoles, D lysosomes and vacuoles. यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड क्लोरोप्लास्ट ये दो ऑर्गेनेल्स हैं इनमें DNA प्रेजेंट होता है whereas it is absent in all other organelles. The correct answer is D lysosomes and vacuoles. Next question, which of the following statements regarding mitochondria is incorrect? Here C is the incorrect statement, whereas A, B and D are correct statement. बिकॉज माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया का मैट्रिक्स में सिंगल सर्कुलर डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल एंड राइबोसोम्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. आउटर मेम्ब्रेन जो है इट इज परमेबल टू कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स एंड प्रोटीन्स, बट इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट चेन इट इज नॉट प्रेजेंट ऑन आउटर मेम्ब्रेन, प्रेजेंट इन द इनर मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया की इनर मेम्ब्रेन जो है इट इज हाईली फोल्डेड एंड दैट फोल्ड्स आर कॉल्ड एज अ क्रिस्टी. देयरफॉर ऑप्शन सी इज इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. Next question, which of the following statements is not correct? Here statement A is not correct, whereas B, C and D are correct statement. Because lysosomes they consist of numerous hydrolytic enzymes और ये जो enzymes है वो एक्टिव रहते हैं अंडर एसिडिक pH and lysosomes are single membrane bound organelle present in the cytoplasm of eukaryotes and therefore correct answer is A. आइए देखते हैं PYQs of 2018. Question number 1, which of the following is true for nucleolus? So here D is true, whereas A, B and C are false. Singular it is called as nucleolus, plural it is called as nucleoli. Nucleolus जो है यूकैरियोटिक सेल के न्यूक्लियस में प्रेजेंट होते हैं and this nucleolus it is active site for the synthesis of ribosomal RNA. Therefore correct answer is D, but they do not have any role in spindle formation. They do not have any membrane and smaller size of nucleoli are present in dividing cells. Next question, the Golgi complex participates in A option fatty acid breakdown, B formation of secretory vesicles, C respiration in bacteria, D activation of amino acid. Correct answer is B formation of secretory vesicles. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम में जो भी प्रोटीन्स एंड लिपिड्स तैयार होते हैं दे आर ट्रांसपोर्टेड टुवर्ड्स द गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स. और गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स का मेन फंक्शन क्या है? मॉडिफिकेशन एंड पैकेजिंग. तो यहाँ पे ये प्रोटीन जो है ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन में कन्वर्ट होते हैं, लिपिड्स आर कन्वर्टेड और मॉडिफाइड इनटू ग्लाइकोलिपिड्स एंड दीज आर देन पैक्ड इनटू द वेसिकल्स and that vesicles they pinch off from the Golgi complex and come into the cytoplasm and such vesicles are called as a secretory vesicles. Coming to next question, which of the following event does not occur in rough endoplasmic reticulum? Option A protein folding, B protein glycosylation, C cleavage of signal peptide and D phospholipid synthesis. So here correct answer is D phospholipid synthesis. So we know that there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. ये तीनों भी जो function है that takes place in rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is protein folding, protein glycosylation and cleavage of signal peptide. और smooth endoplasmic reticulum का main function क्या है? Synthesis of lipid and sterols and therefore phospholipid synthesis takes place in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Question, which of the following cell organelles is responsible for extracting energy from carbohydrates to form ATP? A option ribosomes, B chloroplast, C mitochondria, D lysosome. Here correct answer is C mitochondria. We know that inside mitochondria there is complete oxidation of carbohydrates to produce energy in the form of ATP molecules and that energy then utilized to carry out various cellular activities and that's why mitochondria are called as a powerhouse of the cell. Question, a cell organelle containing hydrolytic enzymes is A lysosome, B microsome, C ribosome, D mesosome. Correct answer is A lysosome. It is सिंगल मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड ऑर्गेनेल प्रेजेंट इन द साइटोप्लाज्म ऑफ एनिमल सेल और इस लाइसोसोम में वेरियस हाइड्रोलाइटिक एंजाइम्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं जैसे कि लाइपेजेस, प्रोटीएजेस, कार्बोहाइड्रेजेस, न्यूक्लिएजेस एक्सेट्रा विच ब्रिंग अबाउट द हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ प्रोटीन्स, लिपिड्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स एंड न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सेलेक्ट द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. हेयर बी स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग, ए, सी एंड डी आर करेक्ट. So here pila and fimri they are not involved in motility of bacterial cells and that's why this is the wrong statement. So what is the function of pila and fimri then? Pila, these are the tubular structure, few in number and they form the conjugation tube in some bacteria to transfer the DNA molecule, whereas fimri are bristle like structures and they are more in number and help to attach the bacteria to the rocks and also to the host tissue. Coming to next question, mitochondria and chloroplast are A semi-autonomous organelles, B formed by division of pre-existing organelles and they contain DNA but lack protein synthesizing machinery. Which one of the following options is correct? Here A is correct option A is true but B is false. We know that both mitochondria and chloroplast they are semi autonomous organelles कि वो प्री एग्जिस्टिंग ऑर्गेनेल से डिवाइड होते हैं एज दे कंटेन द डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल एंड दिस chloroplast and mitochondria they synthesize some of the proteins and therefore they have protein synthesizing machinery such as DNA, RNA, ribosomes and some of the enzymes and therefore A option is true and B option is false.